All right, everybody, what are we taking a look at today? Well, I'm looking at Amazon. I've got an interesting trade and some mechanics there for you. But before I do, please do me a quick favor. Just like and subscribe to Tasty Live as you have done in the past, and we do appreciate it. So please like and subscribe. Help us keep the lights on here. You've been very generous with your time. Now, let me get to the thing that you've been wanting to look at, Amazon. Let's take a look at it. Amazon here, up around $5 and change, another 2% move to the upside. Amazon's old recent high is closer to around, I don't know, let's just call it 260-ish or so. And its recent low is around, let's just call it 205 or so. So I'm going to come up with a trade that maybe benefits from a movement anywhere inside this big range that Amazon has been in. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to go to the May options in Amazon. I'm going to go out to the 270 calls. I'm going to go out to the 215 puts. I want to have defined risk uh, trade on here. You could opt for the strangle here if you're more inclined to put on more risk. Notice the probability of profit here is about 70%. Let me look what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the 215. I'm going to go classic mechanics here. I'm going $20 wide. Typically on a $100 stock, we go $10 wide. On a $200 stock, we go $20 wide. On a $300 stock, we go $30 wide. Just back of the envelope here. I'm going to go $20 wide to the upside, 270, 290, and I'm going to have a credit of around 411. I actually got filled at 416 when Amazon was up about $1 higher than it is right now. You'll notice that this trade actually has one long delta, yet I got filled a little bit higher when Amazon was higher. You would think it going lower that this would be a lower price, but volatility expands to the upside ever so slightly, even with this wide iron condor that we're looking at. Instead of having a 77% pop, I've got a 66% pop, but my risk is defined one, almost two long deltas, $400 and change in extrinsic value. I'm using about $1,600 in buying power. If you collect $400 and you're $20 wide, it's going to use $1,600 worth of buying power. My break even is above or right around 275, 274 and change. And my downside risk is closer to 210, around 211, almost taking into consideration that full move that Amazon recently has. What am I going to look to do? Well, I'm going to look to manage this pretty early. Just look to make around $1, maybe a little bit more. With earnings coming on May 7th, almost a month away, this strategy should work, if it does work, in about 3 weeks, and I'll be out of Amazon taking some of my cash. All right, everybody, please, I need you to do one more thing. Open Move Transfer. Bring your account to Tasty Trade, the #1 brokerage firm in the galaxy.